Challenge 5. Alright, let's get rid of some of these. Use Devin to get rid of some of these guys. Take them out. There you go. Alright, let's use a Lightbringer to get rid of some of these guys. Gotta come in a little bit more. On the turn, they'll fire. We gotta get this guy, same thing. Catch him on the turn. Almost. Catch him this time. Alright, Devin, take him out. Alright, now we gotta clean these guys. We'll use him to clear this out. So we'll bring the Lightbringers back in, shoot here, and they'll clear this out for us. Just come and stop, and they'll go back. You don't want to deal with them right now. First, we're going to deal with these guys right here. Just come back and stop, and they'll all go back. Now let's clear out this side. Shoot the support, you'll get him, then we'll get these guys. And here they come. Let's take out a bunch of these guys here. Clear out that stuff. Alright, let's go over here and clear out this side. Shoot and then pull back. Okay, now you shoot these guys, it'll kill both rails. Pull back, and they'll go back. And here's where you're going to get a little damage. Oh wait, we got this support. You don't usually have the support there. The support will kill him. We might not get damage. There you go. There you go. Usually that support is dead. Pretty easy. Just take it a piece at a time. Let's kill these guys. We want to save this support because that's how we'll kill our rails. Oh, we took it out. Not good. Let's take him out. Alright, well, let's see if he's small. If he gets one shot in, we won't die. He's going to take him out. Oh, look good. Alright, now that was not good. Because we've got to get those guys. Okay, here's what we'll do. Devin, we'll clear the rails. There's all kinds of ways to do it. Depends on how it falls, it's how we do it. Alright, we got rid of the rails. What do we got now? Let's go this way. Lightbringers are slow, but they're highly effective. We're basically done. We just got to kill those guys. We'll shoot him, that'll clear that out. We'll shoot those guys. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. Right there. This will clear out these tanks. We're basically done at this point. Too close. Oh god, this guy was there. Right now, don't kill this stuff. Kill these guys. If you kill this, they'll attack. Kill these guys first. And it's just that easy. Go and do likewise. No damage.